Good morning, dear students. In this video, we are going to start the new poem of our English textbook, that is An August Midnight, and this poem is composed by Thomas Hardy. So, what is the setting of this poem? It is the end of summer. The time is midnight. The poet is sitting alone. He is in a very serious mood. Then suddenly four guests arrive. At that time, the poet feels it is a very special moment. He builds this feeling in us too. So, how does he do that? Let's read the poem and find out. So, here goes the first stanza. A shaded lamp and a waving blind, and the beat of a clock from a distant floor. On this scene enter winged, horned, and spine, a long legs, a moth, a Dumbledore, while mid my page there idly stands a sleepy fly that rubs its hands. So, the poet, the Thomas Hardy, was sitting at his writing table and he is in a very serious mood because he was writing something very important. So, it was an August midnight, everything around was silent there. The lampshade and the window curtain. Blind means curtain, waving means moving. Was moving slightly. The curtain was moving slightly because of the gently blowing wind outside. As the wind is blowing outside, therefore the curtain of the window was waving, moving. And the beat of a clock from a distant floor. The clock beat was heard clearly from a distant house. On this scene enter. So at this point, three insects enter the room, probably through the open window, as they are attracted to the light. A long legs, a moth, and a Dumbledore. So these are the three insects: a long legs, moth, and a Dumbledore. While mid my page there idly stands a sleepy fly that rubs its hands. So there is also another sleepy fly already sitting on the page on which the poet is writing, and the sleepy fly is rubbing its hands there. So he is sitting on the middle of the page and it is rubbing its hands there. So four insects are there in the poet's room where the poet was sitting and writing something. Thus meet we five in this still place at this point of time and this point in space. My guest parade my new penned ink or bang at the lamp glass wall and sing. God's humblest they I muse, yet why they know our secrets that not I. So now the poet says that the four insects and he are in the same silent space. Total there are five members, four insects and one the poet himself. So they are in the silent space because all around is silence there as the time is midnight. At this point of time, at this point in space, my guests parade my new pen ink or bang at the lamp glass wall and sing. Hardy calls these insects are his guests as they are doing parade. He watches them as they either smear ink on his page or remain attracted to the lamp circling it, or bang at the lamp glass wall and sing as they are attracted to the light. They all banged the hot lamp glass and fell down, moving round and round, and died. So the poet feels very sad, feels sad for them because they all died because of the hot lamp. God's humblest they. I muse, yet why? Muse means think. So now the poet says these insects are God's humblest creatures. They know earth's secrets that know not I. So, in the last line of this paragraph, the poet wants to say this that these insects know certain things that the poet himself does not know. Such things are the secrets of the earth. So, as you know, that insects, animals know the secrets of the earth. You have seen several times that the peacock, for example, the peacock knows the coming of the rain and dances with its spread wings. Similarly, if a guest is about to come at your home, so the crow caws at our doors to tell us that some guest is coming. Some forest animals foretell the earthquake and move to the other areas. Their cries warn us about some natural disaster. So, these are the secrets of the earth that we people do not know, but these creatures know very well. So, what is the main idea of this poem? The poet wants to say that everyone is special in our life. Everyone is special there, and everyone has his own place in the world. So, it doesn't matter that either it is an insect or an animal, all are very very special in this world, all have their own place in the world. So I hope this is clear to you. What is the main idea of this poem? It means the poet gives equal importance to insects, animals and other creatures as well. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.